Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm really sorry I missed Monday's upload. I just wasn't happy with the video and I don't want to put anything I am not happy with. Today I've just filmed this look using the stunning Morphe 35G palette and I'm absolutely obsessed, and I have some lashes kindly gifted from We Love Lashes to put on for you, so stay tuned to see this makeup look. I literally love it. And please hit that subscribe button. I hit 700 subscribers last week, what I'm so grateful for. I cannot believe I hit it. So hopefully, you know, I hit 750 soon. But yeah, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below any other Morphe palettes you use, you know of, what I could perhaps try for you guys, because that is literally the first one I've ever used. But I'm just going to let you get straight into the video. So the first product I'm going to be using is this moisturizer here, and it's actually the Sukin Australian Natural Signature Face Moisturizer, and I literally use a less than a pump of this, and I have just cleaned my hands, so I'm just going to rub that in with my hands. And I think it's really beneficial putting a face moisturizer on before I put primer on. I absolutely love this moisturizer. I got it in my Birchbox the Skin Saviors, what was my recent upload, so I will link that down below for you guys, and I absolutely love it. It's paraben free, it's for all skin types, it's completely natural I believe, and yeah, I just love it. It can be used once or twice a day, but I only use it when I put my makeup on, really, or in the morning I would put it on, so maybe sometimes I do put it on twice a day. But yeah, I absolutely love that. And while that's setting into my skin, I actually just go and dampen my beauty blender. So the primer I actually use is the Pixi Flawless Beauty Primer. Just this one here. It probably won't focus because of the awkward metallic writing, but I love this. This is very much on the pricey side. I believe it was like £24, but it is really nice. It gives you a perfect glow, and I love that. And the only problem with the price is that I feel like I need quite a lot to put it on my skin, but that just might be my personal preference. But again, I love the glow. As you can see, the glow here on the end of my nose. It is a very good primer, and this was a recent purchase of mine. I bought it about a week ago. I have never used a Pixi product until then. I've heard loads about their like skincare stuff, but I've never actually used it myself, and I'm very much impressed. Like, I just love how my skin looks with it on. So next I go ahead with the Ordinary Colours Coverage Foundation, and it is so dirty. I am so sorry. Should it focus on it? Probably won't. There we go. And I absolutely love this foundation. It is like £6 or something from ASOS, and it's brilliant. Absolutely love it. I think it's such a nice coverage, especially with this primer, because it's not 100% full coverage. The foundation, I think you can still see the glow of the primer underneath it, what I think is perfect, because that is exactly what you want. I just put mine on like this. Some people put it on the back of their hand, but I think I'm just lazy, but that's why my bottle's always so dirty. And then I just go ahead and dab that in. Now this is a little dark for my skin, but I always have my Dove fake tan on, so normally it isn't too bad, but this is like the one day of the week I don't have it on for some reason, so please just ignore that and pretend that you can't see the line, because that is rather irritating if I'm honest. But you know, we all make that mistake in life. Anyone who says they doesn't is a liar. I just go ahead with the other side of my beauty blender, make sure it's all blended around my eyes, because my eyes crease and my nose crease so much for some reason. I just love, see what I mean? You can still see the glow underneath because it's not a very high coverage foundation. It does say high coverage on the bottle, but I don't believe it is. But I still absolutely love this foundation. So now I just go in with a little spoolie and my eyebrow brush. As you can see, it won't focus over there for some reason, but I just go in with these, and then I go in with this absolutely disgusting, like completely broken Revolution palette. I am so aware I need new brow products, and if any of you know any, please let me know, because I'm in desperate need. So I just go ahead and brush my eyebrows. I used to always do the soap brows, but I just got a little bit lazy, if I'm honest, so I don't really use them anymore. So I just go ahead and use the third to darkest shade and shape my eyebrows. I used to use the Soup and Glory 2-in-1 pen, but honestly I ran out and I can't remember what shade I am. So we're just rolling with this at the minute. Like, it's not bad, it really is just like eyebrow. I think it's because this is powder and the other one was a pencil. But yeah, that's just how I do them. And go ahead and do the other one. I just want to say I'm so sorry if you can hear that bell. We've had a bell go off outside our house for like 4 days now, I believe, and they just won't turn it off. There really isn't much we can obviously do about it at the minute. That's my eyebrows, and then I go in with just an eyebrow gel from Rimmel that I'll show you now, and that just makes my eyebrows stay in shape all day. So then I just go ahead with this Rimmel Born This Way eyebrow gel and just brush my eyebrows through. And this just makes my eyebrows stay in place all day, and I just absolutely, it's just amazing. Like, as I said, I used to use soap to do my eyebrows, but I've just gotten a bit lazier, so I've not really been doing them that way recently. But I do prefer soap brush. Once I've done that, I just go ahead with my Revolution Conceal and Define, and I put a little bit on the back of my hand, or what really is a little bit, because I really am running out. And then I just go ahead with this flat brush and curve my eyebrows. I really need to get a straight-ended brush. I really don't put much on my eyebrows, but that's just because I'm not a massive fan of like when it's really white around them. I just like to make sure that there's no excess and to cover some of the hairs, because you know corona times aren't doing us any good. I don't think they're doing anyone good, and they're certainly not doing me good. And then I just go ahead with the end of my beauty blender and make sure that's all blended in. So once I've done that, I would either go in with that Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, or I go through with my e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer, and I will be using this one today, only because I'm highly running out of the other one. And I literally just put the tiniest bit on my eyelids and blend that out, because I much prefer using concealer as an eyeshadow base rather than an actual eyeshadow base. And then the whole reason for this video is the Morphe palette. I have never used the Morphe palette until I'd done this look yesterday to see what it would look like, and I am so excited to use this. I've got the Morphe 35G Bronze Gold Artistry palette, and these are actually very cheap. A lot cheaper than I thought they were going to be. But I get why, because like the packaging's boring, but the colours, the ring light. The colours, my friend, are beautiful. I am so obsessed with them. This is definitely my vibe, and I'm going to go ahead and use this palette. So firstly, I think I'm going to go ahead with SPF, which is a lovely brownie colour. And I'm just going to zoom you guys in so you can see my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer corners and blend that out. And I am not a makeup artist in the slightest, so please do not judge my artistic skills. But I promise you it'll look nice at the end, and you know, that's all you need to worry about right now. And do not worry if it goes underneath your eyes like this, because I do personally clean up all my eyeshadow at the end with concealer. So I'm literally just gonna leave it like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the shade Sandy, what is a lighter version of that, with just a ended brush. And I'm just gonna go all over my lid with that. I literally look the exact same, but we'll move. And then with a tiny crease brush, I'm going to go ahead with Heat Wave, what is a very dark colour. I don't really know how this is going to go. And I'm just going to put it in the crease. That is definitely a staple. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the softer end of a naked brush with the shade Island Life. And I'm going to do a straight line. So obviously I'm going to put the concealer where I usually would, and then I'm going to bring it and make it a straight line. And then I'm going to do the exact same on the other side and try and make it identical. And then blend that with my beauty blender. And that is the finished look. Again, I just go in with the blending brush and make sure it's all blended, which I actually believe it is for once in my life. And then I go again in with the colour I put in the inner corners and just bring that on a little bit and bring the lighter colour down. So the first colour I use, I just bring down into the lash line. And you can use any brush for this. I use like the first brush. And then go in with the Urban Decay brush again and the light colour. And just make sure that's still pigmented. And bring it down a little but not too much. To make sure it's in the inner corner. And I'm obsessed with this look. So now since I've done my eyeshadow, this part of the video is kindly gifted by We Love Lashes, and I'm just going to move you out just so then I can show you what they kindly gifted me. They gifted me a pair of doll lashes, some eyelash applicator tool, which is very cool, some Ardell Demi Wispies, and then some Revlon eyelash glue. Now I actually filmed a look with these yesterday and I hated the video, so they have been used, but I am just going to tell you my honest opinion of them. So I'm going to be using the Demi Wispies again, and I have never used a pair of them in my life and I'm obsessed with them. I can't believe no one told me to buy them before, because they're literally the best eyelashes I've ever worn, if I could get them out of the packaging. And then I am going to be using the little We Love Lashes applicator, which is just a gold, you know, gold, I don't know, just put the eyelashes on. It's quite handy. And then I'll be using the eyelash glue they kindly gifted me as well. And I really like this eyelash glue, and it is very good. It's by Revlon, it's amazing. The only problem is it's black. I'm not really a fan of black eyelash glue. I much prefer clear, but that's just because I'm such a messy person. But I will be using them for the purpose of this video. So I'm just going to pop one of my Demi Wispies onto my applicator, and then I will be putting the eyelash glue on. It's got a lovely applicator, like it is such good eyelash glue. It's just such a pity that it's black. But I mean, I might look and see if they actually have a clear one on, because I'm in love with it. And then I'm just going to wait for this to dry. I normally give it about 30 seconds. And then just apply that. Now, the only thing with it being black eyelash glue is that I feel like you have to apply it very neatly and get it right first time. What I don't often do. And then if I don't, I get the eyelash glue everywhere, which is exactly what I've done. But when it's on, it's on. But I am obsessed with the eyelashes, like they are beautiful. Just the eyelash glue they sent me is a bit problematic, but that is just my own personal issue, really. Like, If I was better at putting eyelashes on, it wouldn't be an issue. So that is one of them all. So again, I've got my eyelash on the applicator. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. I've completely messed this eye look up. So if that was the first impressions, I would hate it. But it's just, I love the eyelashes. It is just the eyelash glue. I can't use black eyelash glue. Like, I've got it all above it and everything. If I was better at applying eyelashes, I could definitely do it. So I have got them applied. And I do love them. It just really is that eyelash glue. Like, I just can't use it at all. So that is the eyelashes on, or kindly gifted by We Love Lashes. I am so grateful, and I absolutely love these demi wispies. And if you've watched my videos before, you will know that doll lashes are my thing. I absolutely love these so much. I can't wait to try them out. And I do love these eyelashes. Just the eyelash glue is a bit of a flop really, but other than that, I am obsessed with these. I'm just gonna go into face makeup now. So for my contour, I'm still using this absolutely disgusting Hit Pan 17 Define and Contour palette, and I just use this Real Techniques 200 brush, and you know, I'm just whack it on really. I really need a new contour. Honestly, if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below. And then with that Concord kit, I just use the light shade and I put it underneath my eyes. And here where I get sweaty, because I don't really wear powder, but because I don't like the matte finish, but I just think that is perfect for my concealer not to crease. And then for highlighter, I use my trusty Becca palette, what I literally am obsessed with. It's the Becca Chrissy one. I got this when I was in Paris years ago as well, and I just use this Real Techniques fan brush, and I use that pinky color here because I think it sits really nicely with the primer underneath. And that is literally my makeup look finished, other than lip colours. And I actually nearly forgot my bottom lashes. I will be using this Manicada mascara. I got this in a Birchbox, and to be fair, it's probably the only thing I like from it, but it's amazing. It's like one of the only mascaras that doesn't go underneath my eyes. And then for lip colour today, I'm going to be using a Kylie Cosmetics Angel colour, and I'm obsessed with this colour. I've not used my Kylie Cosmetics in years, but this colour is just beautiful. And that is the makeup look finished. I'm literally obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. I think it's so good, and I just love all the products I've used. It's very unusual. I've not done eyeshadow in lockdown in ages, but that is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it, and I just want to let you know that I'm also going to add some of this Revolution colour. I literally have no idea what colour it is completely, is it focused? Well, it's not. It is completely ruined. I've had it for years. I literally love it. I think that looks a lot nicer with this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, obviously thank you for watching the whole video, because it probably is pretty long because I'm not the best makeup artist. I cannot do it, so it probably took me a while, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoyed it, and like and comment and let me know any other content you'd like me to do. And I will see you guys on Friday for another makeup video, and there is a hint on my Instagram story at the minute if you want to have a guess what the video could be, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.